Hello brothers, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll teach you how to install the free WordPress site in your hosting. So many of the viewer who have got the free domain and hosting from my channel or my videos, so they have just comment me to make a video just for the website installing in your site. So how can we build a website through the WordPress in our site? We need a tutorial video, so I'm making this video for them. You need a hosting and a domain over here. Just I have a one free domain over here and one is free hosting over here. I have got the free domain from the freenom.com and I have got the free hosting from the Infinity Free. So I'll just click in the client area over here. In my client area I have a site over here. That site name is official.ml. This site is empty. You do not have anything on your site, so we have to upload the file to our site to make our WordPress site. Or you can use HTML also to build your site, but I recommend you to use WordPress because WordPress has a vast and many features for you, so everything can be done in a few clicks. So I recommend you to use the WordPress option over. So for that we are moving to the cpanel of our hosting. For that we are moving to the cpanel of our hosting. So you need your cpanel of your hosting to install the WordPress. If you do not have cpanel, then you are unable to install the WordPress in your hosting. So cpanel is highly recommended. So we'll move to the control panel of our site. After moving to the control panel, if you scroll down or you look there, then you can find a Softculous apps installer or apps installer. I'm just clicking on the Softculous apps installer over here. So now you can see there is WordPress, there is Joomla, there is Avantcart. So you can install any of this, but I recommend you to use the WordPress because it has a number of free themes for you, by which you can easily create your website fascinating and fabulous in looks. So we are moving to the WordPress. So for installing WordPress, just click in the install option. Now over here you have to choose your version of the WordPress. So I'm selecting the 5.7.2 because this is the latest version of this WordPress. This is our site URL and we are moving to this my blog. So I need this as a T-lover because this is my site name, T-lover, and site description. This is my blog channel, so you can create the any name over here, T-lover biology blog. So I create as a T-lover blog. Here you need an admin account and admin password. So for that I'm just clicking the admin name as admin. You can choose your name as you like. Admin username and password are used in the WordPress dashboard to log in your dashboard. So you need this choose password to log into your dashboard. You can select any of your password as you like over here. So just click on that admin and password over here, or you can choose your username and password over here, and I'm moving to the down option. You can select this language or anything. Just click on the install WordPress option. So it will take 3 to 4 minutes over here. I'll skip this installing part over here, and after completing these things I'll back with you again. Okay, now you can look software has been successfully installed in our site. So it has told us that congratulations, the software was installed successfully in your site. So this is our site, tlover.official.ml, and this tloverofficial.ml, this is our WordPress login. So you need this URL to log in your WordPress dashboard. So first we'll look our site over here. We'll click on this site link. Now look, this is our site. So we have not installed anything in our site, so it is same, but we'll move to the WordPress dashboard over here. So for logging, this is our site, and for logging to your administrative dashboard or WordPress dashboard, you have to copy this URL over here, paste in the new tab. Here you have to select the password and username that you have selected previous in your site in WordPress, where you have created in the login over here. So I click in the login option over here. So now we are successfully in the WordPress dashboard. Here for beginning our site, we have to just install a theme over here. So we'll move on the appearance option over here and we'll click in the themes. You can find a number of themes in this WordPress site, where you can customize your site as you like, however you like. So we'll click on the add new option over here and just select the one of the themes over here. So you can install any of the themes for your site. So you can search also. So okay, here is a news portal. So I just randomly select the one of the news portal over here. So enter news and this is dark news. So I install this dark news option. Okay, it will take some time. You can install any of the themes, so there will be no difference in installing these themes. All you have to do is just customize your site over here by installing these themes. So first you have to install the themes, and you have to install or make the things which are just suitable for you. Yeah, you can add categories, you can add tags, you can add menus, you can create a blog page, or you can add a new page, or anything you just like to their site. So I just click in the activate option over here. Now our site has been activated. So when you activate your site, you will see a pop-up over there. These themes needed a number of plugins. So for this you have to just click in the begin and just select the all boxes and install and apply option over here. Let's see our site. So look, our site has been changed. Wow, now you can look. This is how the WordPress offer you as a site. So for that you can change this in your site. So for changing this name you have to use the premium themes, or I have an solution for it. So if you need these things, how you can change the footer copyright section area, then you can directly message me in the Instagram tlover2054. So these our plugin are being installed over here. So you can edit the themes also over here as you like over here. This is the species style.css. You can add css in your themes. So we'll customize our site over here. So for that we'll move to the dark news option. For installing the demo content, you need to have the pro version of these themes. So I have a pro version of a themes Jana theme with me. If you need that, please contact me in Instagram. I'll provide you that Jana theme for free to you, where you can customize everything you like over here. So this is how you can create your site over here. So if you have any confusion regarding it, then you can contact me. Recently I have made a site over here. This is the site that I have made using a Jana premium themes. How it will looks over there. Look, this site is developed by me, just like previous that dark news theme. So this is the Jana themes I have kept over there, and this Jana themes is premium themes, and I'll provide this thing in the links description. So if you have any confusion, any problem regarding these videos, then you can directly contact me through the Instagram. Thanks for watching. Thanks for support.